As you can see, we are today doing unit number 20 of Gregg Shorthand book anniversary edition. You are watching video made by Saurabh Tripathi. Please like and subscribe the channel if you find the content useful. Now, for which you are here, starting the lesson. P, B, F, V, C, H, J, S, H. Forward, straight stroke. T, D, N, M. Okay. Chat, chart, same, charm, bin, burn, fame, farm. Starting barn, bird, period, barter, burner, sport, spared, experts, shirt, charter, cheered, shared, repaired, chairman, germ. Convert, avert, adjourn, adjourned, farmer, farmers, fern, fertile, varnish, pertain, burden, pertinent, card, curt, guard, guardian, garden, courtesy, courteous, mart, merit, skirt, inert, guarantee. We will make guarantee like this, not in this way. It is easy to make. Guarantee, girder, smart, lard, flirt, alert, desert, discern, concert, concern, insert, inserted. Insertion, assert, asserted, assertion, surge, surgeon, surmise, sermon, third, 30, thermometer, now large, larger, learn, turn, terms, north, northern, chord, reverse, reserve, toward, towards, sport, born, board, border, endorse, surprise, orchestra, quarter, war, warn, warmth, 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 warrant, serve, service, services, surface, sort, corn, corner, court, source, source, storm, firm, circle, certain, ascertain, eastern, west, next, western, modern, southern, assortment, nervous, worry, worth, worthy, noteworthy, trustworthy, Ainsworth, mother, neither, gather, bother, brother, weather, father, leather, hitherto. Thank you for watching. We will do unit 21 in the next video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe the channel if you find the content useful.